Welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom life story.
So guys, this is after 4. This is today is Saturday. So I want to, my children just woke up from sleep. I want to give them food and also wash and sweep. You guys should come with me.
Jennifer, always keeping it real. No rude Jennifer. No rude Jennifer. Always keeping it real, 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 Jennifer. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it real. I know Jennifer. I know Jennifer.
Down. See. Me, I just allow them to play. Just allow them.
Morning light, little hands on me.
You stood up now.
Messy
I stand up.
love, my
Up.
reality.
Stop that in your mouth.
Not perfect, but my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday, soft but strong, finding my way as I go along, built with love, helped by grace, growing through every phase. This is my everyday. This is me, living my motherhood honestly. Morning light, little hands on me. Messy love, my reality. Not perfect, but my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday, soft but strong, finding my way as I go along, built with love, helped by grace, growing through every phase. This is my everyday. simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday soft but
So guys, my friend brought plantain for me. Huh? I'm so grateful. Plantain will be big mouth food now. It's still very strong. Oh. It's still very, very, very strong.
this is me
Use some and
living
do
my motherhood honestly.
Welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered. Mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. No rude Jennifer, always keeping it real. No rude Jennifer. No rude Jennifer. Always keeping it real, Jennifer. Always keeping it real, Jennifer. Always keeping it real.